Hay. Tinapay. Di na mo kaingatan manguning kantuon na mo ini. Di alam kawaman. Nyari kami ha indoors na palaruan. Kasi maulan dito. So nag-indoors kami. Titingnan namin kung hindi sila maboboring. Kasi parang babies talaga. Pero mayroon doon sa kabila. Ay, diba?
Sa taas, parang sa mga ano na. Sa mga HCC.
Sa taas.
I'm going to the biggest wood.
Doing somewhere out there.
That's my elephant.
Ko alam kung saan ang punta.
My elephant is so small.
Basta,
You know what?
sumunod na lang sa may hari at queen. Queen.
Or else we get mad at you. She's a baby elephant. She's a real.
You're going.
Stand up, stand up.
I can make her cry.
Stand up.
I have to take care of her food. Stop it. If she wants money, I have to
Don't
buy.
keep on moving, Simba.
I have to give her the money. If she says I want this, I have to buy it. Look.
Can you please like this? I can breathe properly.
Noor, why are you videoing?
Alam mo, kaingatan mo si Ina. Kumuhan siya. Si Missing Uda kuhan niya. Tayo mangod niya. Amin, magulang. Iba talaga inaamoy. Parang mayroon kang naamoy na kakaiba sa sasakyan. Mayroon ako. Parang amoy laway. My God. What do you want? Why are you shouting?